Yeah, testing. You didn't do any IIT's activity, Epic? Where? Exercise, no. Nothing. Can you come here? Can you take it here?
That didn't work. The parsing.
Huh?
That is not working. The YouTube request.
That header.
Header not. So it's not even calling this method. Execute and
Why?
because the execute doesn't the Google JSON response is we are getting right. It's not correctly built.
It's not.
Built correctly. I'm just checking. I'll just print again. I'll just
Where is the matrix? I think your page, event page also. Yes, open it. That on his machine, so because he was going live. You don't need to go live, right? You can just have a look, see the view post or anything. Only thing is you have to have some analysis activities. Right? Go to the dashboard. This is the income. 113665. Huh? Okay. Open which has some posts. This doesn't have one post. Okay, open it. Create a text post. Open network. Filter with track. Okay, one view I got. Okay. Okay, that's me. Then click the dashboard. That one view should be increased. Then you wait for 7 minutes. Every 3, 10, 3, 20, every 10 minutes, right? So 10, 20, 30. Can you go one more time? That view. No, why you post another? You just refresh. No? Refresh. Just now. So this is event connect. Another thing should come. This view post. Can you do it? Refresh. Refresh. Which API branch was deployed in BLR? Analytics API.
Analytics API. Someone can sit into use it.
Where is that flag? That flag is not there, right?
Which one? It's in
That
that one.
DB disabled. Where is that flag?
API. API is in deploy.
If you didn't deploy, someone has deployed some other thing. Because this branch has that flag, right?
Yeah. You have to manually add everything.
You add manually every time. Can you give me that? What is that? Can you
This
send me?
account has an average watch time of 53 seconds. And on top, no?
Last week. This is last week only, right?
Last week, last 7 days.
Last 7 days. This is also last 7 days. But this is not yet done, right?
Not yet done.
This is yesterday only you went live.
Huh.
Huh?
Just yesterday and today also.
Yeah, it's not yet 72 hours, right?
Oh, this one also takes 72 hours.
I know, so what he said, no, there's a ticket.
Can you? 1 second.
Yeah.
It won't consider the YouTube data
Can you just
unless until it is final.
So if there, see that average watch time and this average watch time, right? It takes from all the live stream, Facebook and YouTube, right?
Oh,
and if it is, and if there is any pending data from YouTube, it doesn't consider YouTube.
Okay.
So that's why you
So
are
then
seeing
it will
0,
display
0.
0, 0.
If so, it doesn't include
Seven.
YouTube. If it has some live stream and Facebook, then it should have that value,
Okay.
but not
So that is average watch time is a combination of all.
average watch time is.
It's a combination of YouTube, Facebook, and live stream.
Yes, YouTube, Facebook, and live stream, and only if there is no such pending data from YouTube, like clock and all, then it will consider the YouTube.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will not consider YouTube data. It will consider only live stream and Facebook data.
Then there's one. We have a pending data here.
So pending data here, so YouTube pending data, it will not be considered. What about this?
Yeah, this is the property.
Can you just see? So Facebook doesn't have, and live stream also doesn't have.
Live stream has.
Is BLR track was a file that you can check, sir?
Yeah, I'm extracting. So I just check this.
It does see there is pending data in YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey,
But there is
hey, can you give me full thing livestream.analytics or you have to just put this flag, huh?
This is flag in the property file and this restart.
there is a pending data in YouTube. Okay, there is no data in Facebook. Okay, but in live stream we have data 53 seconds. Let's see here. It's 0.
Average watch time should be 3 seconds. Yeah, if average watch time is 0 o'clock, okay, that's fine. That's okay. Average watch time.
You want the account credentials to check? Hmm?
Here it's coming, right?
Yeah.
See, it's proved by event only. Total life.
Yesterday there is one ticket, no, that is flickering that download. He added something. Maybe he opened it on
This
refresh.
front
It
end
is.
check.
Yeah.
No, that was on refresh. It was blank.
Mm.
But that is UI. That is
Oh, yeah.
That's why I'm just thinking that live views is also coming at 0. You have live view, right?
Yeah.
It's not even hitting the API, I think. How do I inspect any anything? How do you inspect the thing?
You want what you want?
Inspect the
Inspect, we want to use Safari.
you want me?
No, we cannot.
This is VLR only, right?
Yeah, VLR.
VLR.
wait for 7 minutes. Next 7 minutes. And you know what and all you have to test in your notification what
Inspect
so one thing is you have to enable you don't add any YouTube and analytics. No custom, no simulcast thing. So that time what type of mail you are getting. You add YouTube or you add Facebook. Okay. And what type of mail you are getting and you add both YouTube, Facebook, what type of mail you are getting, you add only YouTube, what type of mail you are getting, you add YouTube or Facebook, but toggle it off. You can toggle it on or off, right? So you add the connection, but you toggle it off. So those combinations. So only when there is no YouTube connection or Facebook connection. Okay. Then, so basically, if there is no simulcast connection is there, you will get some original analytics HTML template. Okay. And otherwise, it will show the simulcast information. So this time, what is your status settings?
So many destination calls happens. Every refresh there's I think there's some 100. What is it? Live stream analytics some other.
So you will get some analytic that simulcast related information.
Hmm.
Another 5 minutes. Because that mail is on his machine. I'm using his account. That is why. Now I will get next time again it will come. Okay.
Getting clear. Is 1 minute 23 seconds. It's coming. Why are you coming?
If you can log into my account and you can check something. Which is Shanti. This email address.
Alright.
AJY dot SHR8HY
This is
SJRATHY + YouTube @livestream. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
What about that average of
That live views also is not
For me, it's
Live
live
views
even
is-
live views are not coming. So
live views.
yeah.
check and then log and all, it's up to date or it's failing because they make a node API is making the call, right? Analytics response call. So search here analytics, filter
No.
with analytics.
For me, it's coming. It's pending. Okay.
So is it failing? And due to that, it's showing the default value which is 0. See,
Timeout.
false
It's
by
giving
timeout.
timeout.
Refresh again. Again, same thing.
So it's getting timeout every time. Right?
Yeah, that's why you're seeing 0 and 0 0.
So why is getting timeout for only
You
AJ?
have to ask Simon or working out API.
For me, it's not giving timeout.
What for?
For his account, it's working.
What for? This would be same, no?
Yeah, same account. Here I'm getting
Huh?
timeout.
Huh.
And if I hit just open the other tab, normal tab. Here it works fine. Okay. Zero eight to 1. 108 to 9.
check with this because it is making call to API, but it is taking time. It's call by time. What happened if we just instead of API make this change? Use advanced REST client and use this thing, analytics livestream dot whatever you're getting for this account. His account, right?
Header.
It's taking so much time. 11 seconds. 11, 12 seconds. And for your case, maybe it is taking less time, and that's why for his thing, he's getting a fast by time. Here's the thing. So you need to check what is the fast byte timeout they set. So because API is making internally the TANRIS call, right? Now if we just change it, it should be faster. So this we need to check why it's still taking so much time. First time it happens fine. See, he has so many.
And the download CSV also it takes more time to download.
That happens. Yeah,
It was more than 30 events.
see, 36 events it has.
30, yeah, 36.
What will happen if we have 50, 60, even 100 images?
Yeah.
Go.
Then why is it taking so much time? What are we doing actually? We're not doing anything.
First of all, why after caching, why it's taking so much time from the Redis?
Data is over.
Oh, yeah. What was that? Oh. 11366. See, it has this. Still, it's taking so much. Why it's taking so much?
She's there from catch on the right.
Hmm.
So it's
Still,
not taken.
so I check with this.
Just 1 second. Just check that last one. We are doing it first from catch only, right? Then only we
Fetch data m.fetch. So m.fetch, if you see first we are getting from cache key. Cache key is for YouTube, it will be analytics underscore YouTube underscore summary accounts colon this. So from this cache key we get, and then if we get some cache response, which is some string, then we are just parsing and getting that response. That's it. And response, if it has, so it also has.
But for the empty ones also it's at every time it goes and check. Right? Maybe the YouTube one is taking time.
So what happens for empty thing?
It will still try.
No,
to
it will. That is what is missing. You got it.
We try to do pass the empty response again.
No, that is fine. Empty response. Then we are checking this part.
Yeah, if it is matching
And so
none,
for empty string, it will always match none.
and then it will
Then we
go-
are simply again calling that BigQuery API every time. Got.
yeah, even if
So that's why it's so it's so slow.
this before only it's slow.
Not before only. This we added as part of this YouTube feature, right?
Refactory only we refactored this.
Uh,
Yeah, that's why it's taking time.
that because it's not at all ready from cache.
It reads,
So
it reads, and then second time it is empty. So even if it is empty, it becomes
every time
null.
it is going to BigQuery. If it is
But it should be null. Then we just go to the BigQuery, right?
why? So that's why it's not there. So
No, but what happens if it is one time we are putting the cache, it's empty.
one second. Because we don't have any single Redis key which will give me the total result, accumulated result. We have some chunk, like for Facebook, this is the summary response, for YouTube, this is the summary response, for Lightroom, this is the response. And then we are merging and then we are showing.
Yeah, but then again, if it is a null,
So what happens? So every time fetch data with this. So for this one, it gets proper value. So device matrix is coming from cache. Now for this Facebook simulcast, it says, okay, there is a value in cache, and when it fetches, it gets empty, and then it says, okay, the average duration is not there. Then let me fetch again.
what is the cache detail?
Cache TTL is nothing to do with cache
No,
TTL.
no, I'm thinking about fixing this.
What fixing is? It's nothing to do with cache TTL. It's because
We'll
of
have
this.
to remove this check, right?
It's because of this.
That's match.
This thing, this check.
Yeah, we need to have this check, right? Otherwise, if it is null or empty, we have to get it from BigQuery, right? Or should we reduce the cache time and do it? We check the cache. If it is empty, leave it.
What we can do one thing.
Yeah, there is both.
If it is sound and none, then you will fetch. Right?
Yeah, if both none, then we just.
So only what will be there? Some, none, 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 some,
None some.
none, some.
None some can be there. Yeah.
So four combination, two things. So if something is there, nothing for average duration, we should fetch and store.
Yeah.
Both are empty, then let's not do.
Yeah, because there is no data, so it will get updated.
Some and some, let's not do.
Yeah, some anyway. None and some, we won't do anything because none and some will not happen.
None and some will not.
When you not view, you can't get everything.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's run here. Now at least here we should say it should be faster. How we can run.
And
That you fixed, huh? YouTube API.
yeah, that's not working.
Oh, that header thing is not.
It's catching the exception, but it's not going inside. It's not calling again.
How come this happen? That header thing is fine, huh?
I'm just checking.
It catches this thing.
It catches this.
And then here it's not coming.
It's not coming because we were doing minus before only, right? But it was 2. So first time only it was 1. It failed exception, right? Right again, call execute 1. Now it became 0. But it didn't, it refreshed and it didn't work right. That's why.
Day 18, 534. That was the
But it's still given timeout there.
Where first time it was coming from cache, right? That anyway is acceptable. First time it will take. Earlier it was always coming going there, right? Now if see millisecond.
That's fixed.
Now what we should test is
Taking first time.
no, first time it will take. First time we were doing all those 3 calls for YouTube. We are that filtering this, that.
So earlier it was 3 seconds, then it became 6 seconds, now it became 9 seconds. So like we have 3 incremental calls. All 3 calls will happen, right? So 9 seconds.
No, it will not be 9 seconds because we are doing parallel. Whatever the slowest call, that will take. Because we are, if you see here, future.sequence. Basically, it's like parallel. We are
Then it merge and then send. Yeah, let's deploy it.
fine now.
It will just take some time to update everything, that's it.
Which update?
Cache time. So once it is in cache, we don't. But that's the logic, right? Once it is in cache, we don't update, right? Once the cache is clear, then again we fetch. Deploy it. So wait. First
Why would that change is still there? Whatever he did, we mark into our branch. Then
Put a note here why we are doing like this. Okay. Why we added? So this was not there. So initially it was not there. Either you put a note here or you put in your mail or something so that we will not forget. You are getting why we are putting first time, why we are putting this check at the first place, because we don't want that migration or whatever.
yeah.
It should take automatically. That's why we put it first place, right?
Yeah.
Then what is the issue we faced because of that Facebook or whatever, YouTube, whatever? It's empty case we are not getting, so always it goes to the BigQuery to fetch, and that's why now we derive at this point, right? So that's what, either you put here or you put it note in your somewhere else, so that will not fall.
No, that I'll put a note.
Okay.
I'll put a note in mail only.
Okay, na? Then what is the next issue? What happens? You are saying this is not going inside.
That's called right. It's going on. Just check. First one.
Which one? This.
First one.
True. What is true?
It's going on right now.
Null pointer. What is null pointer? True. JT.
Something will happen.
Something has happened. Seriously.
See, the exception I'm getting in every case, it's not matching up. It's not going inside my if logic.
Whatever I can. Do one more thing. So analytics dashboard. This change commit. Huh? Now today it's clear why it was still taking. Now it's fine. Now. Yeah, this. So we are passing name to labels.
You're doing something.
I'm just checking what is it.
Can I do one small text? What happened now? Hmm?
Setting blur.
This one. Okay.
This is dashboard.
This is what? Notification worker. Notification worker and dashboard rollout. No? Show me where it's not going inside if. That's interesting. So you always work with interesting things. Something doesn't go inside you. Something unnecessary goes inside you.
Once this is over, I'll take a break. One day.
And take this one.
Tomorrow is there.
2 days.
Start logging notification. It's not a straightforward way.
Why it's not so hard? You do collect. You know after 2 minutes there will be to collect. You know task groups. You know how many tasks you are expecting. So many tasks should be there. It's easy, man. It's easier than unit test.
Also, I'll start writing them.
See how big is this?
Become messy. No, now it should refresh. It should be.
You didn't deploy, no? What to do with it?
Okay, it's still yeah, see now it came. So you tried how many times? Right? 2 times. Okay, no, it's fine. First time it failed.
Off error. Off error.
Errors, I printed like this is the error code.
Then still why you are getting invalid credential?
No, but invalid token error refresh.
So that auth header is not working.
auth header is not working now. Yeah,
Right?
that still makes sense. It's going to see, but why it happened 2 times? Right? 3 times it could be. First case two. And that line up.
Where is active now, right?
That happens. So header won't work. So I'll apply it.
Header is not working, right?
Right. But they passed the same thing. Authorization space period and space 2. Press B is smaller. I tried using this. Hit the video API and I inspected the pass. So I saw that you had the file.
You know why it's not working? Because you're not passing authorization. You're passing authorization.
Awesome. Awesome. Do you have any sort of constant for this?
What constant?
Any constant request branch?
Well, you should. No, yes. Next time also it will happen, right?
That's the best part. It's a continuous testing environment.
City. Like
What you
CM.
would, you just keep changing and you just test. It will start. You can see the bug.
So this also fixed.
Another point.
Illegal argument. See, cannot set Java util list field on HTTP headers dot authorization to string something.
Right, or reset field.
Why? Now we are talking. String. Wait, say. Oh, HTTP set.
Or get headers and then set field. Get request headers dot set with headers.
Where is it?
Yeah, or get request headers. Yeah, get request headers. Dot set field is there. Set authenticate. Set authorization. What is authorization?
Here also it was like that. Set authorization was there. No, but set authorization takes a list of string.
That's what it is.
What?
Failed, got in, re-executing, response received, and
Fine.
response